Hello Year 8. Today we are starting the chapter of ratios, and I think you'll find this lesson very straightforward and nice and quick for you guys. Now, if you can write the heading ratios, and it is chapter 5. So we do like to have the heading in, especially when we start a new chapter. Okay, now I'm not going to make you write all this out. I just want you to have a look and do it along with me. So let's have a look at what ratios might be through an example. Look at these dots and write the following ratios. So it looks like we've got 5 red dots, 3 black dots, and 1 blue dot. Now, black, this says dot dot red. This means 2. So we want to know what the ratio of black to red is, and you simply write what you've got. So black, how many are there? There's 3. So you write 3 dot dot. How many red? There's 5. And that's all you do. Let's have a look at the next one. Black, there's 3 here. Dot dot. Blue, 1, finished. Next one, black. How many black are there? There's 3. Dot dot. Total number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all together. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to do something which is simplifying, but I'm going to show you here. This is like a fraction. So 3 dot dot 9 is the same as 3/9. But the reason I'm telling you this is because hopefully you would know how to simplify that. You find something that goes into 3 that also goes into 9. So in this case, I think 3 goes into both of those. So you go, how many 3's in 3? There's 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So today I think you only have to go to there because I don't think there's any that you have to simplify. But basically it's like a fraction. If you can simplify, then you must simplify. Okay, and that's the example. All right, having a look. Of these numbers, write down the ratios, and we have question A and B. So we just got a set of numbers, number 5, 8, 9, and a 12 and a 10. We have to find out the numbers less than 11, 2. Now in this case, the 2 means dot dot. So I'm going to put that there. So this is like the first part of the question. Numbers less than 11. So how many do we have? 1, 2, that's less than 11. Less than 11, 3, that's not less than 11. And that is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers that are less than 11. Okay, and this is 2. We've done the dot dot. Numbers greater than 11. How many numbers are there that are greater than 11? No. Oh, that is. 12 is greater than 11 and 10 isn't. So there's 1 that's greater than 11 and you're finished. Okay, same set of numbers, part B. Odd numbers, 2. If you circle your 2, you'll know that's how we separate the questions. So odd numbers, yes, 1, 2, well, there's just 2. 2 even numbers, how many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So your answer's 2 to 3 or 2 dot dot 3. All right, a little bit of work. That's the next step, harder but not too hard. When you've got different units. So we're going to have to change them. So the first one is 17 seconds to 1 minute. So the problem here, I'm going to give myself some space, is that they're not in the same unit. So we're going to change it and use the smallest one. So we've got 17 seconds, and we'll keep that as seconds, to 1 minute. Now we want to change 1 minute to seconds. How many seconds are there in 1 minute? Hopefully you know there's 60. So your answer is going to be 17 dot dot 60. And then we're going to go ahead Now, if anyone, you can see the questions there. If you want to rush ahead and have a go, please do. So we have 4 millimeters to 1 centimeter. So we're going to keep the 4 millimeters the same because that's the smallest one. Okay, you want to keep the smallest unit. 2, and we need to change the 1 centimeter into millimeters. How many centimeters are in a millimeter? Hopefully you know it's 10. Okay, so our answer is going to be 4 ... 10. And now these are not in simplest form, so let's simplify them. What goes into 4 that goes into 10? The highest number. Okay, hopefully you're thinking 2. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we get 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, and the last one. 63 cents and $1. So the smallest unit is cents. So it's 63 cents to $1. So we want to change that to cents. How many cents are there in $1? Hopefully we remember that there's 100 cents in a dollar. So our equation is 63. Not our equation, our ratio is 63 to 100. And that's it. How good is that? All right, let's have a look at the work I'd like you to do. So we have 5.2, question 1. Question 2, every second question, please. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now that will actually be super quick because they just like what we did and they're not very difficult. So there is an Education Perfect lesson after that. It's pretty quick as well. So it should be a fairly nice lesson for you. Group 2 kids or small group kids, I'm going to show you which exercises, which questions I want you to do. They will be a bit different. Okay, thank you.